Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. We replaced the boiler gasket and I had some used feet, so we put some new feet on there. And for this one I'm going to go steam first and then I'll show how to temper down. So of course it's all ready to go with the steam. One thing these machines are really known for is their strong steam. So at this point, I'm going to turn that thermostat off. I'm going to reopen the valve, and with this, we'll incorporate the pump and refill our boiler. Here we go, as you see water coming through, get some of that hard steam off of there. A little bit more, we'll wait till the light comes on just so we can get ready for our shot over here. Nice flow there. I am just going to jump the gun a little bit for the video. It's all ready to go. We'll just see. These are great espresso machines. This is not the portafilter that goes with this machine, so should have a quick little not so tight fit. But here you go. That's a nice shot of espresso. That was great steam. Thank you very much for repairing at Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.